Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and stay at home. So, students, today we are going to continue up with chapter 5. The name of the chapter is Multiples and Factor. In this chapter, today we are going to discuss about the divisibility rules. Divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10. Firstly, we should understand what is the meaning of divisible by. What does it mean? Divisible by means if you divide one number by another, the result is a whole number without a remainder. Like, for example, I will take 12 divided by 6. When I'll divide 12 with 6, what I will get? I will get 2. I will get a whole number and no remainder is left. So, what is the meaning of no remainder? When we get remainder as 0. Okay. So what we will say कि if a number is exactly divisible by the number, right? So now we will discuss about the rules. Firstly, if we see in the first question A part, they are saying you have to check whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. So we will see in the solution, as per the rule, a number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have some numbers like 37, 158, 1001, 53,288. So what we are going to see, we have to see in this the last digit. If the last digit is the even number, or you can say 02468, then this number is divisible by 2. Okay, so 37, if you see the 37, the last digit of 37 is 7. So 7 cannot be divisible by 2 because it does not contain 02468. Okay, if we see the second part, 158, if you see the last digit 8 is there, so 8 is divisible by 2, hence 158 is divisible by 2. Okay, so what we will see that without going through a long process, without doing a long process of division, we can easily see our number and get an idea whether that number is divisible by 2 or not, or whatever given number is. Okay, so now we will move to the B part by 3. The rule of the 3 is a number is divisible by 3 when the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. So what we have to see the sum. In this we have four parts: 99, 157, 300, 3852, 93,201. What we will do in the first part, we will add up the digits. 99 ko we will add 9 plus 9 is 18. Now if you see that 18 is divisible by 3 or not, if you see 3 6 are 18, right? So 18 is a multiple of 3, so it is 99 is also divisible by 3. 157, if you see, add all three digits. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. So if you see, 13 is not a multiple of 3. Okay, 13 will not come in the table of 3. So it is not. So 157 is not divisible by 3. Okay. Now we will talk about divisibility rule of 4. A number is said to be divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last digit is divisible by 4. Okay, for 4 we have to see the last two digit of a given number, right? 86 is given, 284 is given, 3800 is given, 36,412 is given. So in the first part we will see the last two digit. We will see 86 is the only last two digit of this number. So now we will do the division of 86 with 4. If we divide 86 with 4, we will get 21. So 86 is divisible by 4. So we can say that 86 is divisible by 4. Okay, so 284. Now we will check the last two digit of 284. Last two digit of 284 is 84, right? So 84, now we will check that 84 is divisible by 4. Yeah, 84 is divisible by 4. Yes. So we can say that 284 is easily divisible by 4. Now we will talk about the rule of 5. So what we will see in the table of 5, if you see our number ends with 5 or 0, right? If you see 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, if you see our number is end with 5 or 0. So what is the rule is, a number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is 0 or 5. Okay, अगर उसकी last digit 0 and 5 is there, so it is divisible by 5. So here some numbers are given: 65, 399, 6905 and 28,560. If you see in all these number, in the first part 65, 5 is written at the last place digit, so it is divisible by 5. 399, the last place digit of 399 is 9, so 9 cannot be divisible by 5, hence 399 cannot be divisible by 5. 3905 if you see the last digit is 5, so this number is also divisible by 5. Means without going through a long process of division, we can easily see that whether our number is divisible by. Now we will see the divisibility rule of 6. What does it say? As per the rule, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So what we will do, we will first check the divisibility by 2, then we will check it by 3. If the number is divisible by both the numbers, means 2 and 3 both together, then we can say that the number is divisible by 6. Okay, let us see the first case, 82. The number is 82. If you check the last digit of 2, it is 2. So 2 is divisible by 2. So we can say that 82 is divisible by 2. And now we will check a divisibility rule of 3. Okay, now we will check the next step is for checking the divisibility rule of 3. So 82, if we add the digits 8 plus 2, what we will get? We will get 10. Okay, so 10, if you see, 10 is not a multiple of 3. It will not come in the table of 3. Or you can say 10 is not divisible by 3. So 82 is not divisible by 3. So, right. So what we can say, कि 82 is not divisible by 6. The reason is that it is not divisible by 2 and 3 both together. It is divisible by one number, that is 2, but it is not divisible by 3. But we have to check both the numbers, right? So that is why 82 is not divisible by 6. Okay, let us take a third example. 6,906. In the last digit, if we see 6,906, 6 is there. So we can see that 6 is divisible by 2. So we can say that 6,906 is divisible by 2. Now we will do the addition of the digits. 6 plus 9 plus 0 plus 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. Right? 21, if you check, 21 is a multiple of 3, or you can say that 21 is divisible by 3. So we can say that the 6,906 is divisible by 3. So what now we can say that 6,906 is divisible by 6. Why? Because it is divisible by both the number 2 and 3. Okay. Now we will check divisibility rule of 9. Now, okay, what is the divisibility rule of 9? For 9, we should check the addition of the digits. If the addition of the digit is divisible by 9, then we can say that our number is divisible by 9. Okay, let us check the first part, 199. Now what we will do, we will add all the digits. 1 plus 9 plus 9, we will get 19. So 19 is not divisible by 9. So we can say that 199 is not divisible by 9. Okay, now we'll check 459. 4 plus 5 plus 9. Okay, 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18, right? So 18, if you see, it is a multiple of 9, or you can say that 18 is divisible by 9. So we can say that 459 is divisible by 9. Okay, so we will do the last rule, that is divisibility rule of 10. If you see in the 10 table, the last digit formed by the last digit is 0. Okay, so we can say that if our number ends with 0, then we can say that it is easily divisible by 10, right? That is the rule of 10. Like 210, if you see the last digit of 210 is 0, so 210 is divisible by 10. 311, if you see the last digit of 311 is not a 0, it is a 1. Okay, so it is not divisible by 10. Okay, and 311 is not divisible by 10. If you see 8000, the last digit of 8000 is 0, so 8000 is divisible by 10. If you see the last 67,320, the last digit of this number is 0, so this number is also divisible by 10. So this is all about the divisibility rule. Now students, you will write down the exercise 5.7, practice it, and question number 2 of this exercise you will do it yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.